Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson, as a new follower. What is a computer programming? In our daily basis, computer programming is the process of writing instructions that get executed by computers. No matter you work on Windows or Mac. The term programming language usually refers to high-level languages, such as BASIC, C, C++, Fortran, and others. There are 5 basic programming elements or operations: input, output, arithmetic, conditional, and looping. Every program uses at least 2 of these. With 5 steps, we will learn about these techniques. Learn 5 steps of computer programming. Identify a problem. Design a solution. Code a program. Test a program. And document a program. The first step is to identify a problem. You might need to figure out what you're trying to solve. Then you might need to list requirements to give it a try. The second step is to design a solution using flowcharts developed by American National Standards Institute, ANSI. We show the symbols and how they might be used in a simple flowchart with a variety of shapes and direction of flow. For example, you solve a problem on rebooting your PC, you go to embassy to validate your passports, and much more. The third step is to code a program. This lets you express your solution in a programming language like C++, Fortran, etc. When you start a program, you should note the following 3 in order. Number include IO stream in angled brackets. Then using namespace std. Then int main parenthesis open and closed. When you end a program, you can note return 0. For example, writing a program of mathematical operations, old school game projects, etc. shows you an idea of some ways. The fourth step is testing a program. By executing a program, you must check the following errors. For example, you used the wrong element or missed an important parenthesis. After coding a program, you may like to try disk checking, translating, or debugging. Lastly, to document a program. Documenting is an ongoing, necessary process, contains written detailed description of the programming cycle and specific facts about the program. In the computer industry, written documentation is needed so that those who come after you can make any necessary modifications in the program or track down any errors that you missed. So subscribe now on YouTube. See you next time.